I have been giving a lecture on our 3D printing process for metallic materials, and it's called Direct Metal Laser Sintering. We talked about some of the details of the process, how it works, all the things it's good for, how you can build real parts for real applications in metallic materials using 3D printing. I hope they take with them a better understanding of the growing possibilities of using metallic materials for additive manufacturing, and how this is not just something that can be done with plastics, but also with high performance metallic materials like aluminiums, like steels, like titaniums, like nickel-based alloys, for lots of applications. For example, for medical implants, for molds, for making aerospace parts, and also for prototyping.